Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check transmission fluid in your Nissan Versa. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a completely level surface. This is crucial for an accurate reading. Next, run the engine for about 10 to 15 minutes to warm up the transmission fluid, but be careful not to let it get too hot. Finally, gather a clean rag and a funnel, which you'll need later. Locating the transmission fluid checkpoint can vary by Nissan Versa model. Some vehicles have a traditional dipstick, often colored red or yellow, while others may have a check plug that requires specific tools or even removing components like the battery for access. Always consult your owner's manual for the exact location and procedure for your specific vehicle to ensure you're checking it correctly. Once you've accessed the transmission fluid checkpoint, carefully remove the dipstick or plug. Wipe it clean with your rag, then reinsert it fully before removing it again to get an accurate reading. The fluid level should typically be between the hot or full marks. Also, observe the fluid's color. It should be clear and reddish. A dark, cloudy, or burnt-smelling fluid could indicate a problem. If your transmission fluid is low, you'll need to add the correct type of CVT fluid, typically Nissan NS2 or NS3, using a clean funnel. Add small amounts at a time, then recheck the level to avoid overfilling, which can be as damaging as underfilling. Continue this process until the fluid reaches the appropriate mark. Remember, maintaining the correct fluid level and condition is vital for your transmission's longevity. Check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.